Hello there, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to use measureTime method for knowing how much time it is going to take for a computation. And here I have two methods here. Both does the same function, but we'll be finding which one is going to perform better by finding the time taken for its computation. So we have two methods here. It's a method 1 and it's a method 2, and both finds a number is even or odd. So the first method uses the modulus operator, the second one uses the logical operator and we'll find the time for both of the functions. So let's get started. So here we have the measureTime method, and it's having a lambda, and we are going to be providing our function here is even, and we pass the number as argument, and we will print the entire result to the standard output. Okay, now we can run the code, and I'm using the first method here, and we get 1.34 milliseconds. Now I will copy this same line again, and I will be putting the second method here, and we'll compute that, and we're gonna find out what time it's gonna take, the second method, and it is taking only microseconds, 4 microseconds, and this one taking still in milliseconds. So we can find the second method is more efficient. The logical and operator method is more efficient. We'll be running that again. Okay, still it is in microsecond. So we find that the second method is more efficient than the first method. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.